Fishing and technology come together like never before. Let's dive into the best drones designed to enhance your fishing experience. Number 1. Loily Drone with Camera for Adults. The Loily Drone stands out as an affordable starter for those curious about integrating drones into their fishing setup. Despite its budget-friendly price, it features a built-in camera that offers a fresh perspective on your fishing spots. The controls feel intuitive, which makes it accessible even if you're not a drone pro. One of the most practical aspects is its stable flight capability, allowing you to scout fishing areas efficiently without worrying about constant crashes. You get decent battery life for short fishing excursions, and the lightweight design makes it easy to carry. Number 2. A PizCook RC Drone with Display Screen. This drone clearly aims at anglers who want real-time visuals without the hassle of connecting to a smartphone. Thanks to its integrated display screen on the controller, you can see exactly what your drone's camera sees right away. A total game changer when locating fish hotspots. Flight performance is impressive at this price point. The controls feel responsive, and the drone holds steady even in light wind. Its compact size makes it transport-friendly, perfect for spontaneous fishing trips. Number 3. Jardum Drone with Camera for Adults. Stepping up in both price and features, the Jardum offers a compelling choice for those serious about drone fishing. With a solid camera resolution and extended flight time, it provides detailed, stable aerial views that let you monitor water conditions and fish movements like never before. The drone's hardy build exudes quality and reliability, suitable for more rugged fishing environments. Its intelligent flight modes simplify operation, meaning you spend more time fishing and less wrestling the controls. Number 4. V11 Mini Drone with Camera for Adults. The V11 Mini Drone pushes the envelope with a compact design paired with top-tier camera quality and flight stability. It's more than just a drone. It feels like a professional scout in your fishing arsenal. Its precision controls and impressive battery life allow you to linger above promising areas longer, capturing clear footage to analyze fish presence and underwater structures. This mini drone impresses with features usually reserved for much costlier models.